Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and we have a build. Wednesdays are often the day where we have a new build of Windows 10, and today is not an exception to the rule. So the Windows Insider team and Donna Sarkar just announced a few minutes ago at 5 p.m. Eastern, that's 2100 hours Universal Time, a new build 18936 to the fast ring. It has been released, so that also means I've started the install process. That also means that install process will probably take some time, and basically we will have a review of this latest version of Windows 10 tomorrow. We'll see what's new and of course how stable it is. And so just add on to your Insider machines for the fast ring. It is a build of 20H1, so that's the next version of Windows, early 2020. And of course, the march towards the newest versions of Windows is still continuing. So today, Wednesday, July 10th, 2019, a new build of Windows 10 is available. I wanted to mention also at the same time that if you have problems installing, if you had problems upgrading, there was a release of the image or the ISO of the build 18932. So in the Windows Insider download page, you can get the build that was released last week and install it, do a clean install. It's the best way to get yourself out of problems if you do have issues with any installs, or if you've been stuck in past builds and can't upgrade. So check it out to download and install it, and from there you'll be able to of course come to probably install the 18936 build that's available. So head on to your Insider machines, guys. Fast ring build 18936 now released for fast ring. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.